Hi, my name is Dr. Jidon Janaon, and this is my innovation called Integrated Solar Dryer or INSOLER. So INSOLER comprises of several components. The first component is this what you see here. This is called solar heat collector. The concept of solar heat collector is to absorb the sunlight and heat up the material inside, and it heats up the air, and the air become warmer and become lighter, and it travels inside the second component, which is the drying chamber. So what you see here, this is actually a greenhouse, meaning to say this drying system comprises of active and passive modes. This is the active modes, and the passive mode when the hot air comes from the solar heat collector. The uniqueness of this innovation is we install the chimney. This is actually the chimney, and the uniqueness of this chimney is we actually extend the tube from the top to the middle of this drying house. Now what does this do? This actually forces the hot air at the top of the solar canvas, and it pushes the heat down, and it goes being sucked into this extended chimney. So because of this uniqueness, it creates chaotic high movement of air inside the chamber in the house, and it promotes uniform heat temperature distribution. Therefore it promotes uniform drying. And what you see here, this is where we put the tray, and we can put the sample. And the hot air from the solar heat collector enters this drying chamber through this tube, where the tube actually brings up the hot air, and there is a hole beneath this tube, and that brings up the hot air. So this really creates a high temperature that is suitable for various dry materials such as agricultural produce, fish, marine products, and as well as industrial products. This innovation is a collaboration between UMS and UMK, where the IP of these innovations are shared between UMS and UMK. So the unit you see here is in UMS. This is the capacity of 200 kilogram, whereas another unit has been built in UMK, and the capacity is 2,000 kilogram, and it is currently operational. And this IP has been commercialized by a local company called INSOLER, and INSOLER is having the right to produce and market in Borneo.